Hi, my name is Martin. I'm from Reversing Cameras UK. Right, so today I'm in a very colourful looking test area with a bunch of minions there. Now a customer has sent me in his factory mirror monitor. It looks similar to ours, obviously minus all the delamination on theirs, on the factory. So this is very commonly fitted to Swift, Bessica and Auto Trail motorhomes. So this type is the clip-over type, but it refers as well to their sort of bracket type that we can replace. Now, this, they sent it in because, as you'll see, the picture's not terribly good. I mean, it's a very dull picture. I know we've got the skylights above us, but that looks very dull. Now, if you look at it, the customers put it almost up to maximum brightness. And it's still not really easy to see, especially when you're driving along. Possibly you've got the skylights open in your motorhome if you've got them. And that's your view. It's very difficult to see what's going on. Now, for many, many years, we've been selling our mirror monitor, but just with a little adapter. So I'll just point out that the originals on these Swift, Bessica and Auto Trails have got the 6-pin PS2 connectors. I don't know whether you can see that, but it's 6 pins inside. Usually there's a purple cable most of the time that if you did dig around you'd end up finding a box, whether an EM3.5 box, EM5, 5.6, depending on whether you've got the single or twin cameras. Now our small 8-pin connector, we've had adapters made up, so basically we can convert it into the 6-pin that is pinned out the same as the originals for these vehicles. We've made it so it's as simple as putting the little adapter on. In fact, we put that on for you when we send it out, and there you go. Much easier to see, even with all the skylights. Now ours is obviously, I haven't changed the settings, but ours will be standard brightness, 20. It is 40 is a max, so it's halfway along on the brightness. You could get it brighter if you wanted to, but to be honest, you never need to. We always just leave it halfway along. If you see any lines as we're doing the video, that is not there in real life. I cannot see lines, but the camera does see lines. But it's just a way, there's a different refresh rate between what the camera captures and what the monitor puts out. But as you can see, there's a big difference. If you wanted to upgrade, obviously, you know, you've got the bundles on the website, and you will see quite a big difference. Even this one, the pixels are even visible. So it's probably, I suspect, running the 480 by 234 panel, whereas ours is obviously the 800 by 480, as well as being digital, as well as being a good quality digital high-res. So if ever you did dig around, you'd eventually find that purple cable gets to one of these boxes. It'll either be an EM3.5 if you've got the single camera. So we've actually been running our single camera over there, the white one. We're just using our adapter G for that one to convert it so you can use the original cabling that goes into that box. Obviously you'd normally do it at the back of the vehicle, but for this demo I've just popped it straight directly into a box. And if you've got the twin system, it'd be an EM5.6 box and you have 2 inputs, 1 output with that purple cable. So if you did want to upgrade, obviously go and check out our website, order one up, and basically improve your vision and make yourself safer, because that's just miles easier to see and a better picture. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.